Hi, Namaste, welcome to you all. Welcome to Siri Tutorials. So today we are going to do some of the questions which were came from KSET 2022. Okay, so 2022 KSET problems. Those are selective problems from differentiation. Okay, so let us go and see what the problems came, how the solution will be. Okay, right. So problems, differentiation, questions from 2022. Okay, so from 2022, what are the problems came? So how to solve this? Okay, so this is the question. Y is equal to x power sin x. Y is equal to x power sin x plus sin x power x. So these are problems. How can we do those problems? By using log on both sides. So for this you have one question, one formula we have. If y is equal to f of x power g of x, then dy by dx is equal to, how can we write y into f dash of x divided by f of x into g of x plus g dash of x into log mod f of x. For this, there was a proof in your NCERT textbook. Okay, you can see that. So the form which is of this form, you can apply this method. Okay, see solution. First, I will take x power sin x, after that sin x power x. X power sin x. X power sin x means if y is equal to, so that implies dy by dx is equal to, what we get, this is f and this is g. So how can we write? Y means x power sin x into f dash of x. So f is x, f dash is 1, g is sin x, g dash is cos x. Substitute here. F dash of x 1 divided by x into g of x means sin x. Sin x plus g dash of x. G dash of x means what we get? Um, g dash of x means cos x into log mod f of x means x. So this is solution for first one. Now for convenience I will take this as u. Then v is equal to sin x power x. Sin x power x. Same method. D here, this is u means du by dx. This is dv by dx. That is equal to sin x power x into f dash of x. For this, f is sin x, f dash is cos x, g is x, g dash is 1. So f dash of x is nothing but cos x divided by sin x plus into g of x. G of x is nothing but x plus g dash of x is nothing but 1 into log mod f of x means sin x. Okay, so this is the condition. So next, so substitute all these. Y is equal to u plus v. So dy by dx at x is equal to pi by 2. In question, it was given that at x is equal to pi by 2. Okay. Substitute in this, all these is equal to, substitute x is equal to pi by 2 here. X is equal to pi by 2, x is equal to pi by 2. What we get? Pi by 2 power sine pi by 2. Sine pi by 2 will be 1 into 1 by x is nothing but 2 by pi. Sine pi by 2 will be 1 plus, if we substitute pi by 2 here, cos pi by 2 will be 0. So total will become 0. Next, plus sin x power x. Sin x is nothing but sin pi by 2 1. Substitute here. Sin pi by 2 1, 1 power whatever it may be 1. Next, into cos x. Cos pi by 2 is nothing but, if you substitute here, cos pi by 2 is nothing but 0 plus log mod sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is nothing but its value is also 0. So we get pi by 2 into 2 by pi. So answer will be 1. Okay. So just by substituting in this, we will get the solution. The main formula is this one. Okay. Right. Next, go through one more. Yes, this is easiest problem. So what is given in question? Y is equal to 1 plus x square into tan inverse x minus x. We need to find a differentiation. Differentiate with respect to x. What we get? Y differentiation, dy by dx is equal to, it is in uv formula. So 1 plus x square into tan inverse x differentiation, 1 by 1 plus x square plus tan inverse x into 1 plus x square differentiation is 2x and its differentiation is 1. These got cancelled. That is equal to 1 plus 2x into tan inverse x minus 1. These got cancelled. This will be the answer. So the answer is first option. Okay. Easiest problem. UV method we need to apply. Next, go through another problem. Okay. So x is equal to e power theta is e power sine theta given. So I think question, I need to change this. So dy by dx at ordered pair 1 comma 1. This is the question. Right. So x is equal to e power sine theta given, y is equal to e power cos theta. Theta is parameter. Okay. Whenever parametric form is there, dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. This is the form. And before this, here x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. So 1 is equal to e power theta into sine theta. Is it correct? From this. Next, 1 is equal to, from this, e power theta into cos theta. Now divide these two. What we get? E power theta cancel. Tan theta is equal to 1. Theta is equal to pi by 4. Remember this. Substitute here. Dy by dx is equal to dy by theta. For this uv form, what we get? E power theta into cos theta differentiation minus sin theta plus cos theta into e power theta differentiation e power theta divided by dx by d theta. E power theta into sin theta differentiation cos theta plus sin theta into e power theta differentiation e power theta. E power theta both are cancelled. So what we get? Cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta. If we substitute theta is equal to pi by 4 here, what we get? 0, because cos pi by 4, 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. Answer will be 0. Okay, next. Go through another problem. Okay, this is a little bit of different question. See this. It is also very easy. Y is equal to e power. This x we can write it as x power 1 by 2 into this x we can write it as x power 1 by 4. This x we can write it as x power 1 by 8 and so on. So that is equal to e power x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus and so on up to infinity. So that is equal to e power. We have 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus and so on up to infinity. It is the GP. What is formula? S infinity is equal to a by 1 minus r. Here a is equal to 1 by 2, r is equal to common ratio 1 by 2. Okay. Substituting this, S infinity is equal to a means 1 by 2 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2. So what we get? 1. So e power x we get. This total value will be equal to 1. So y is equal to e power x. Then dy by dx is equal to also e power x. The question is dy by dx at, what is at? X is equal to log 3 base e. Dy by dx at x is equal to log 3 base e. So that is nothing but e power log 3 base e. What is answer for this? This 3, because a power log x base a is equal to x. Okay, so the answer is 3. So this will be the answer. Let us move to one more question. Okay, this is also a little bit of a different question. Okay, so what is given? Solution. At x is equal to 0, at x is equal to 0, e power y plus xy is equal to e implies, substitute x value here, e power y is equal to e. We got one condition. Okay, e power y is equal to e. Let it be. Next, we need to find dy by dx as well as d square y by dx square. Okay, right. E power y is equal to e implies, from this also what we get, y is equal to, if we apply log on both sides, y is equal to 1 we get, because if you apply log e here, log e base e value 1. Okay, e power y is equal to e, y into log e is equal to log e. So that implies y is equal to 1. We got one more condition. Now we can check. So I will take once again e power y plus xy is equal to e. Okay, e power y plus xy is equal to e. Then differentiate it with respect to x. What we get? E power y differentiation, e power y into y dash. plus x into y dash plus y is equal to 0 because E differentiation 0. Substitute all values here. Y dash is equal to what we get? Minus y divided by e power y plus x. Okay, that implies y dash is equal to minus 1 by e power y is nothing but e plus x is nothing but 0. So dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by a. Two options we have, minus 1 by a. Next, let me go through d square y by dx square. If we do differentiate it again with respect to x, what we get? Y double dash is equal to minus of, this is e power y plus x into y differentiation y dash minus y into e power y differentiation e power y into y dash plus x differentiation 1 divided by e power y plus x whole square. Substitute all values here. Minus of e power y, e plus x value 0, y dash value minus 1 by e. This is y dash. Next, minus y value 1 into e power y, y dash value minus 1 by e plus 1 divided by e power y means e plus 0 whole square. What we get from this? Minus of, here e got cancelled. That means minus 1 minus, here cancel, this total will become 0 divided by e square. So that is equal to 1 by e square. So its value 1 by e square, its value 1 by e. So the answer is third one. Not third one, fourth one. 1 by e minus 1 by, that is minus in minus plus 1 by e square. Okay. So this is the method to find dy by dx and d square y by dx square. Okay. So in next class we will do problems from the year of 2021. Same topic, that is differentiation. Okay. So we will meet again in next class. Okay. If there is any doubts, you can comment me in comment box. If you have any problems, please tell me, we can try to rectify. Thank you. Thank you one and all. Good night.